A very exciting video today. Hello my darlings, welcome. I hope everyone is doing well. DIY number 1. I'm using this tray. I'm sanding it out and I'm gonna paint it out with a white Waverly chalk paint all over. Just like so. When my tray is dry, I'm gonna use this beautiful transfer on print with the flowers and French print. Just like so, I'm using the scraper. I got this print long time ago from Amazon and I'm really loving those transfer on stickers, prints, whatever you call. You can even use this on a furniture. I want to make sure that all that print is on my tray, and so far so good. Coming to the end using the scraper, and voila, look how beautiful it came out. Next, I'm gonna use this clear wax from Plaid, just going all over for protection. And now, to bring more detail to my tray, I'm adding a apple barrel black paint around the corners. And that's it for this beautiful tray. Let me know what do you think. I'm really loving it, and I'm preparing this video for tea party. You're gonna see all those goodies that I'm making. I'm so excited. We're gonna talk about that throughout the video. I'm so excited that it's a springtime tea party hosted by my amazing friend Kiki at Kiki DIYS and all those beautiful ladies. We're gonna have so much fun. Playlist will be in my description box, and I cannot wait to see what everyone made. If you haven't visited Kiki's channel, Kiki DIYs, please do so. She's amazing, creating beautiful home decor. And Kiki, thank you so much for inviting us to our tea party today. With that being said, I'm jumping to my DIY number 2, and I'm making my pastry sign. Using this old sign, and I'm gonna remake it. After I paint it out with a white Waverly chalk paint, I'm using this pastry sign stencil using a truffle Waverly chalk paint going all over, and that's it. My sign is ready. And look how pretty it looks. So I'm taking you to France. Now it's time to make some sweets for our tea party. I made some croissants, chocolate croissants, raspberries cookies, and cinnamon rolls. I put them in an oven to bake, and look how pretty they came out. So delicious. Next, we're gonna make some chocolate lollipops. I'm using this mold, spraying some golden sprinkles, using those sticks, wooden sticks, and now I melted some chocolate and filling the mold with the bows. So easy to melt just the chocolate. And we're gonna make some beautiful lollipops for our tea party. I also gonna make some bunny lollipops. This time I'm using some pink sprinkles, using wooden sticks and filling out the mold. Just like so, not even 5 minutes. When I fill out all those molds, I put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes, and now I'm removing them. And that's it. Super fancy, delicious sweets. Just removing them from the mold. Look how pretty they came out. Perfect. Just removing all that extra chocolate around it to get the perfect shape. Now I'm removing the bows. Look at with that golden sprinkles. They came out so glamorous. Beautiful. Mini bows, lollipop bows. Just removing those extra chocolate. And now to make it more fancy, I'm adding black and white straws for the handles. And that's it for this dessert. Next dessert, we are making a strawberry cheesecakes. 1/2 cup strawberries chopped, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 85-gram graham crackers, and make them into fine crumbs. And next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted, going all over. And now I'm just putting them in those mini cups on equal pieces, just like so. Going all over, make sure I'm filling all those out. I grab a small cup and I'm just making the surface smooth. Before I put for the filling, I use half a cup cream cheese, room temperature, 50 grams of sugar, vanilla, and I mixed it all well. And now I'm using half a cup of heavy whipping cream, mixed it all well too. And when all that it's coming to a heavy cream, I mixed it out together with the cream cheese, mixed it all well, and our cream is ready. I put the strawberries in there first, fill out all those mini cups, beautiful desserts, and I fill out all my cream into baking injector, and I'm just filling out my cups. Look how simple and easy is this dessert. Just 5 minutes and it's done, and you're gonna have a delicious dessert. You don't need much. Just make sure I fill out all my filling. Now I'm putting more crumbs of the biscuit for more decorations. Just going all over those mini cups. And for a look, I added an extra strawberry, fresh cut piece strawberries. And that's it for this dessert. Let me know if you're remaking this next. Next, we are making tiramisu. For tiramisu, I need a cup of coffee, half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee liquor, and I mixed it all together. And I'm using a biscuits. You can use a finger biscuits, or I just use those vanilla round biscuits. And I'm putting them in my cups. After I put them in the coffee to get that beautiful flavor for tiramisu, just going and filling out all those cups first. I want to make sure I use them all, not all, half, because we're going to need the other half for a second portion. For the filling cream, we're gonna need half a cup mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Mixed it all together so we can get that heavy cream looking. And now with the injector, again, I'm filling out half of the cup, just like so. And now I'm adding the second part of the biscuit. Dip it in the coffee first, and now putting them inside of the cups, just like so. Super easy and delicious recipe. When all that is done, I'm filling out the rest of the cream on top. And now I'm dusting a cocoa on top of it. And for a decoration, I'm adding wafer rolls, cut it on half. That's it. Our tiramisu is done. And now, welcome to CJ Pastry Tea Party. Look how beautiful I decorated. I put it on my previously done DIYs trays. And those flowers that you see on the bottom, that's a wall made out of flowers that I did last year with the Dollar Tree flowers. Look at my chocolate lollipops. Tea is here. The teacup is here. The teapot is here. Look at all those delicious pastries that I made. And our tiramisu and our strawberry cheesecake, and nothing without croissants. Because we went to Paris to have a tea party. Let me know, what do you think? Are you gonna join me for our tea party? And let me know if I did a good job. Before I let you go, Thank you so much for watching my video today. I had so much fun creating, baking, making all those beauties, and I hope you had fun as well. And don't forget to check out our amazing Kiki DIY and our amazing beautiful creators friends on the playlist in my description box. And until next time, which is gonna be tomorrow, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye bye, me Cherise.